Try not to inhale. And if it does burn, use your fan. Yes.
Mmm. Mmm.
One more time.
We were doing a chemical peel, right? This is called what exactly?
It's a perfection peel.
A perfection peel. That's right. I better get it right next time. This is a perfection peel.
It's absolutely wonderful cocktail. It has everything skin needs.
Everything?
Everything.
For example, please enlighten me.
Well, it has kojic acid, has glycolic acid, has ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, has a little bit of a numbing to it, has a glutathione, the one that our body makes.
Oh, yes, I've heard of that. I read.
So it's a very safe and good cocktail.
What a wonderful Friday. Like, this is a great way to spend a Friday at the spa.
Okay, so you ready for the peel now?
Oh, I thought we were doing it already.
No, this was
I thought
a
that was
preparation.
This is a preparation.
Yes.
Now, guys, get ready. Or should I get ready?
I'm gonna start from forehead, okay? And fan, fan, fan. And we're gonna do more layers, but the first layer is gonna kick in with the numbing, and you're not gonna feel when I apply the second time that much.
I'm like,
Cut your lip a little for me. Zero to 10, where is the burning?
Oh, it's not that bad at all.
It's not that bad.
Which is great because I have sensitive skin. I have highly sensitive skin, so I'm really glad that it doesn't like burn crazy. But yeah, it's good.
Yes. So before we wait until it absorbs, this little baby gonna go with you home. This is little home kit to take care after the peel, okay?
Perfect.
So there is instruction, what to do, what to expect, and also few products. Tuck your lip. Okay, let it go. Okay, your neck now. The neck is gonna peel the last.
Yeah.
Around the mouth and lips, gonna peel the fastest. And any imperfection you have, you're gonna see it more visible until it peels off.
Correct.
Okay?
Perfect. Darling. Darling.
Yeah. And you are taking that peel wonderfully. Wonderfully.
It looks
No
like I'm
frosting.
plastic right now. It looks great. I love it looking